It disregards the authority of credible data and expert insights, which are crucial in evaluating the true potential of an investment. Without this foundation, you are more susceptible to market hype and speculative bubbles that can burst at any moment. Consider the psychological impact as well. Repeated failures due to uninformed decisions can lead to stress and anxiety, making you hesitant to invest in the future. This hesitation can cause you to miss out on genuine opportunities that have been carefully analyzed and vetted. It's a vicious cycle that starts with bypassing analysis and ends with paralysis brought only by fear of making further mistakes. So, what's the alternative? Instead of abandoning analysis, focus on streamlining your decision making process. This means honing in on key metrics that matter most to your investment strategy and utilizing efficient tools to gather and interpret data quickly. By balancing speed with due diligence, you can make timely decisions without sacrificing the quality of your analysis. Leverage technology and authoritative sources to stay informed. Having clear goals helps narrow your focus, eliminating distractions and unnecessary options. Once you've committed to specific objectives, you're more likely to make decisions that align with them. Staying consistent in your strategy. Financial authorities and successful investors emphasize goal setting because it provides direction and purpose, making your investment decisions more straightforward and effective. This advantage can lead to sustained profitability and market dominance, enhancing your investment's potential. By setting these specific criteria, you reduce uncertainty, enabling you to act swiftly and confidently. Don't let your indecision hold you back. Define your criteria today and take control of your investment journey. Remember, the clarity you establish now becomes the foundation for making informed, agile decisions.